Okay, ladies, so if you are looking for a quick, easy style, if you are having a bad hair day or you just want a style on the go, let me introduce you to the new Turbo Do. If you have not seen this new Turbo Do, I'm telling y'all, this is a game changer. So, if you're looking for a style that you can have instantly, this is instantly. It is called the Turban Do, and you can get it on my website. So yes, click the link in the description below to get your Turbo Do. It is an instant head wrap style. This right here that I'm about to show you is a color 1B30. It is by Vivica Fox, and it is what? The bomb! I'm telling you, ladies. So yes, I'm going to put her, the Turbo Do, on her and show you guys. So it is a turban in the back, and the turban comes in different colors, white as well as in black. And the Turbo Do has the do in the front. These are some cute, pretty curls that's in the front, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They are like some little small Jerry curls, Shirley Temple curls, or whatever. But I am going to put her on Miss It. Yes, I call her Miss It. I'm going to put her on Miss It so you guys can see. So basically, when they say instant, this is really instant. So again, all you have to do is slide her on your head. And what? Booyah! You got an instant style just like that. If you are experiencing any hair loss on the sides, in the front, this can cover all of that. Look how this comes down and covers all the sides. So if you have hair loss on the sides like this, all you have to do is pull your turban on down and cover that. And then you have the hair right here in the front. It is so cute. The turban in the back is really big head friendly, wide head friendly. It does stretch. So if you do have hair in the back, or some you might have a lot of hair in the back, maybe none in the front, or you have hair all over but you just want a quick do, this has room in the back to kind of like put your own hair up in there and still have some space. This is so cute, y'all. Look at that. Can you see her? She is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And it's just enough hair. It's just enough hair to cover on the sides if you needed to, as well as right in the front. And these curls are just durable. They are durable curls that you don't have to worry about, oh, they're going to fall out, or I'm only going to be able to wear this one time. So the price on this is very affordable. It's reusable. You can wear this over and over again. It comes in this 1B30, also in color 1B. And again, like I said, the turban in the back is very stretchable. It's big hair friendly. And yes, I just had to introduce y'all to the Turbo Do. So if you are interested and you want to get one, click the link down below in the description and get you guys the new Turbo Do. You've seen it here. Where? On West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes. So again, get your order in now. Click the link below and get your Turbo Do. Alright, y'all. Stay safe and stay blessed. Until next time. Turbo Do.
You gotta see this. Crochet braided. Purple ponytail. Okay, family, so yes, I am at the hospital doing my client's hair. Yes, I want to start off by showing you her hair growth. Look at this hair growth. When I started doing her hair, all this in the front was absolutely bald. She had no hair whatsoever in the front, so I am showing you her hair growth. Yes, G&G hair growth butter really works. It is the truth, ladies. So if you haven't gotten your order in, get your order in for our G&G hair growth butter and our hair growth oil. And yes, I am starting her beautiful purple crochet ponytail. Yes, this is going to be a beautiful ponytail crochet style, and it is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So please continue to watch through the end and see how this beautiful purple crochet ponytail hairstyle is accomplished. Thanks for watching, and again, tap the link to get your G&G hair growth butter or your hair growth oil. It is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, and I am going to be using what? The headband crochet cap. If you have not tried this cap, you must try it. Again, tap the link to my website and you can purchase this crochet headband cap. Yes, it is amazing, especially for those with hair loss, thin hair, short hair, and damaged hair. This is the hair that we're going to be using today. So again, continue to keep watching. This style comes out amazing.
Tees, braids, weaves, and wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas.